Well, if you want to see what this game is, man, when you get done with that, check out my stream. I'm on Twitch. Yeah. You do know what I'm talking about when I say Twitch, right? Yeah. Oh, you're share playing? Oh no, you don't need to have a Twitch to look at me, dude. Yeah. SharePlay won't let you look at me. I have to do that, and my internet speed won't let me do it. Yeah. What you can do is what you can do is go to this thing called Live from PlayStation, and up in the featured category, it should show your friends broadcast. Holy shit, man. This fucking gun's just eating these motherfuckers a new ass. Someone, are you commenting, man? I see you. It'll say featured on the left hand side. This is the PvP portion of it, yeah. It looks like Call of Duty. You see that little yellow bar? You really want to see what happens when I activate it? Alright. Come on around here, bitches. Got this thing called Golden Gun. One hit, one kill. Oh, you can mute me on the stream if you want. Oh, watch this. Slide. Come on. No, they got me, Nikki. They got me. No, Nikki, they got me. Oh shit, he's got a rocket launcher. This motherfucker's got a rocket launcher. I'm going underneath, cuz. Wow, dude, are you serious? Oh, damn! Those two motherfuckers just got fucked up by a rocket, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I feel some kind of way about that. What'd you get? You got the insanity? Damn, man. We need to be the insanity clan now. God damn. Oh, god damn.
What the fuck? Damn it.
Getting my ass kicked for some reason, man. Might be because people are watching me actually try to play this damn thing online. Ooh, eat my grenade, bitch. Ooh, I got to bow and dance for that. Yeah, I got to dance.
And it's been changed.
Oh shit, no, kill that motherfucker. Give me, yes, give me that assist. Oh, he got me with a motherfucker. Goddamn scout rifle and son of a bitch. You broadcasting?
You what?
Oh, hell no. Get out of here with that. These niggas here. These niggas here. Eat it. Eat it, cuz. Eat it. What's up? Dude, I had to play something other than this. Or other than Call of Duty for a little bit. What's up? Dude, shit like that happens. No one saved my ass right there. I'm gonna see the game mode you're watching right now, or you was watching. That's 3-on-3. Yep. You also have Team Devils.
You got 6 on 6.
And you got 6-on-6. God damn, dude. Yeah, that's what they're doing to me right now. Alright, Mia.
What?
Here in a few minutes, I'm gonna actually try to use that fucking app again. Get that ass down, bitch. I don't think so, motherfucker. Ooh, Split Shifter Pro. Matador 64.
Like the title.
House of Wolves prep show or pre-show. Yeah, I'll take it. Ooh, there's one of the new goddamn shotguns. You son of a bitch. Hell no, this other motherfucker got it. But check out my stream, this will show you what the loot looks like. That's a legendary shotgun. Then you also have exotic guns. Kill this weapon. This weapon's magazine will be filled.
Actually, I'm doing it now.
I want that fucking gun. That communist cocksucker.
You bad.
Yes. What's up? Nah, see, the loot system in this game is different than it is in Borderlands. You have to take into account that this game deals with RNG, random loot generator. So there is nothing for you to sit here and farm. Anything drops anything in this game.
And it's bullshit.
And it is total bullshit. Total bullshit. It's like one of those, oh hell no. Oh, so, I'm telling you, man, if you're looking for another game like Borderlands, Destiny is where it's at. And they actually have like a $60 version
With the DLC.
with the DLC.
Need that underneath my...
There's a deluxe edition. I think it actually might be on sale for PlayStation Plus members. I don't know.
I just fucked out my thing. I need to put this little son of a bitch in the fucking pod.
Oh, there's a comment.
There's 3.
Hey, people like me. Oh no, what the fuck was that motherfucker using again? Oh, he got me with the... Oh, he isn't. He isn't using that Red Death. Nah, he isn't. Nah, he isn't. Oh, hell no.
However, the last comment was done by Nightbot. I
Was
don't know who the other 2 comments were. I wasn't in here.
he won't show it?
It didn't say me anything, but...
Oh my god.
Yep, I'm Nightbot.
Oh my god, man. I'm literally getting ripped apart. That's gotta be one of the new fucking hand cannons or something.
Ill Will?
Yeah.
Oh, look at it.
It's just wheel.
No, it's Ill Will.
I'm gonna try the Atheon's epilogue and see if I can actually do anything with this. Nope. It's 3 lines will. That's it. It's a hand cannon.
Yes. House of Wolves hand cannon, and it is called the Ill Will.
Is it?
Yes. It just looks like...
God, Jesus, man. Can I? Alright, here, fuck that. Let me try this.
You're not kill a nigga.
Hell no, I can't kill a nigga. These motherfuckers are straight ripping through me.
Yeah, because they all got the new weapons.
Right?
And you ain't got shit.
Exactly. I call fucking shenanigans.
I call RNG fucking sucks.
Exactly. The next motherfucker to say shenanigans, I'm gonna pistol whip that sumbitch.
Shenanigans.
Hey, Farva, what's the name of that restaurant you like to eat at so much? Oh, you mean shenanigans? Oh.
Oh, man.
I just now got 50 freaking points. Are you kidding me, right? Alright. If I want to use a gun like that, then I need to switch to that. Dude.